Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Consolidating Financial Models, Excel Files, using Python. Introduction. Financial analysts often work with multiple Excel files containing data, forecasts, and financial models. Consolidating these files into a single, organized dataset is a common requirement. Python, with its powerful libraries for data manipulation, can streamline this process. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to consolidate financial models from multiple Excel files into one using Python. We will use the pandas library to perform this task. Requirements. Installation. You can install the required libraries using pip. Step 1. Organize your Excel files. Before consolidating, make sure that your Excel files have a consistent structure. They should contain similar sheets, and the data you want to consolidate should be present in a consistent format. Step 2. Writing the Python script. We will write a Python script to consolidate Excel files. The script will. Here's a sample Python script. Make sure to replace path _to _Excel files with the path to the directory containing your Excel files and your sheet name with the name of the sheet you want to consolidate. Step 3. Run the script. Execute the script in your Python environment. It will load all the relevant data from each Excel file, combine them into one data frame, and save the consolidated data to a new Excel file named consolidated_data.xlsx. Conclusion. Consolidating financial models from multiple Excel files using Python can save time and reduce errors in data management. With the pandas library, you can easily manipulate and combine data from different sources. This process can be automated and customized to fit your specific requirements. ChatGPT